When working with large assemblies, view manipulation is vital to a good user experience, and over the years, SOLIDWORKS has worked hard to optimize view manipulations on the screen. Detailing mode was introduced in SOLIDWORKS 2020 to allow users to open massive drawings in seconds, and for assemblies, the Enhanced Graphics Performance option was implemented to take advantage of high-end graphics cards by moving the graphics burden to the card. For SOLIDWORKS 2021, the Enhanced Graphics Performance option has been extended to the drawing environment. On the left, we have SOLIDWORKS 2020, on the right, 2021. In this side-by-side comparison, the same 5-sheet drawing is opened. Let's start with panning the drawing in the document window. Notice that SOLIDWORKS 2020 on the left does a good job, but you can see that there's some latency as the drawing doesn't precisely follow the mouse. The same panning action in SOLIDWORKS 2020 on the right is dramatically faster and keeping up with the mouse, providing a much better experience. Zooming in and out is just as dramatic, and panning while zoomed is lightning fast. For comparison, we'll repeat the same steps in SOLIDWORKS 2020. Again, notice the latency, which can sometimes be confusing as you can overshoot your zoom magnification due to the delay. Panning is better while zoomed in, but not as fast and precise as SOLIDWORKS 2021. Scroll bar pans show a similar graphics performance gain in SOLIDWORKS 2021. The second sheet of this drawing contains even more views of this 2400 part assembly, and the performance difference is even more pronounced. For years, the SOLIDWORKS development team has been working diligently to write code and partner with hardware vendors to continue to raise the bar for performance. With the Enhanced Graphics Performance option paired with modern OpenGL 4.5 graphics cards, SOLIDWORKS 2021 is surely a validation of the hard work.